Hello and welcome to Shohini's Kitchen. Today's recipe has been requested by a lot of people and it is none other than the traditional Bengali Chola'r Dal. Chola'r Dal is also known as Chana Dal in Hindi and Bengal gram in English. It can be cooked in a variety of ways, but today I will show you how it is cooked for weddings in Bengal. It is super delicious and a must try. So for the ingredients we need 2 cups of Bengal gram or Chola'r Dal or Chana Dal, fill the bowl with water and soak the Chola'r Dal or Chana Dal for at least 5 to 6 hours. Now I have soaked it overnight and I cooked it the next day. So this is the Chola'r Dal after 5 to 6 hours. Now for tempering the oil we need bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 2 cloves, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. We also need some dried red chillies, some coconut slices, some green chillies as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, half teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I have also used little less than 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is a homemade one. We also need some cashews, some raisins, half tablespoon of ginger paste, salt and sugar as per your taste. For garnishing, I have used some grated coconut. You can also use chopped coconut and some oil for cooking. Now we will add the Chana Dal or the Chola'r Dal into the pressure cooker and pressure cook it for 1 to 2 whistles as may be required to soften the dal without disintegrating. Fill the pressure cooker with water and add some salt, 1 green chilli, 2 bay leaves, then cover and cook for 1 to 2 whistles. Turn on the gas and place the pressure cooker on it. Right after 1 whistle, I have turned off the gas and let the steam escape and then open the lid to check if the Chana Dal or Chola'r Dal is done. So as you can see, the dal looks beautifully cooked, softened, yet it did not disintegrate. This is exactly how your Chana Dal should look. Now chop the coconut slices into small pieces and slit the green chillies. Now it's time to cook the Chola'r Dal. So turn on the gas again and place a wok on top. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add the chopped coconut pieces to the oil. Fry them until they are golden brown in color and then remove them from the oil and put them in a bowl. So they will rest in the bowl until we are ready to use them in the dish. Now you can see the fried coconut pieces. Time to temper the oil with some dried red chillies, 1 bay leaf, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida to the oil. It gives a great flavor to the dish. Now time to add the turmeric, and soon after we will add the ginger paste. Now add half tablespoon of ginger paste and cook on medium flame. Now add some water so that the spices don't burn. It's time to add the cumin powder. I have added half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well and then again add some water. Now time to add some cashews and raisins. Mix all the ingredients very well. And now we will add the slit green chillies. Now add the Chana Dal from the pressure cooker to the wok and mix all of them together. Bring the dal to a boil. Now as you can see, it has started boiling, so it's time to add the sugar. Chola'r dal is usually sweetish in flavor, so add sugar as per your taste. Now mix very well, and then it is time to add the garam masala powder. Let it boil for some more time, and then as you can see, it has reached the perfect consistency for having it with rice. So at this point, I will remove a bowl of dal for having the dal with the rice. For the dal to go very well with the luchis or puris, you need to boil it further and bring it down to a thicker consistency. So time to add the coconut pieces. You can add it even before removing the dal for the rice. Let it boil with the dal, and then we will turn off the gas only when the dal reaches a thicker consistency. Now as you can see, the dal has thickened quite a lot. So it's time to remove the dal into a bowl for having it with luchis or puris. Chola'r dal is ready. Garnish it with some grated coconut or chopped coconut, and it's ready to be served. Bengalir প্রিয় মিষ্টি ছোলার ডাল বিয়েবাড়ির মতো. Serve it with luchi or puris, and serve the thinner version of the dal with some rice and eggplant fritters, which in Bengali we call beguni. Like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank Thank you for watching and keep visiting my channel for more recipes.